Hello, I love my Robbe models. I have the Scirocco 4.5 meter and it is amazing. So I bought their bigger one, the Robbe Cyclone. It's a 6.2 meter glider. This is the unboxing video for it. And I'm making this because I didn't see one out there on the internet. You have to buy the ESC separately. You don't have to get the price, but it's online, you can find it. I have not opened the box. This is a true unboxing. What's in here? I can't wait. There's a picture for you. Wow, the wings are wider than I thought. Let's see. The booklet. This must be the elevator. Wow, this is bigger than a lot of my airplanes. Amazing. I'll put this down here so we can keep it to scale. Wow, this thing is going to be so awesome. That's pretty heavy. This looks like one of the center sections of the wing. So there's going to be two of these and then two wing tips. Wow, this thing's going to be amazing. Yep. I did purchase the dolly that they have on their website. I made one, but it wasn't working so well, so I went ahead and bought theirs. What the heck, you know? The Scirocco I'm able to hand launch just fine. Haven't had a problem with that. It's pretty powerful, and it's so big and graceful it just takes right off. This, I think, is going to be pretty heavy. A little too heavy to hand launch, so the dolly, I think, is very important. Looks like I'll need to connect the ailerons. Wow, that's how wide it is. Pretty amazing. What's next? Oh, here's the wing tips. It's very well packaged. So this came from England, and I'm in Oregon, USA. The box looked perfect when it arrived, and the shipping was actually very fast. I'm always impressed with their shipping speeds. The wingtip is curled up just a little bit for a little added dihedral, maybe. Decals look excellent. So this is going to go on there. There's one wing. Wow, I'm excited. Try and be as fast as I can so the video is not too terribly long. Here's the other wingtip. So put those together and you get an idea of what 6.2 meters looks like. That's a little over 20 feet. By far the largest wingspan any airplane I own. And the fuselage. Where's the stabilizer? Let's see. Yeah, this is the rudder. Stabilizer is part of the fuselage. Get that out of there. This is going to be a little more challenging. Let's see. It's a two-piece fuselage. Here's the front piece. How nice. The motor's installed for you. So much of the work is already done. You got the multiplex connectors. It's basically snap together and go. You can actually start charging the batteries when you assemble. I've done that before. Okay, let's put this over here. And here's the power section. Very nicely packaged. Wow, look at that. That's big. Nice. Oh, I'm getting excited. That's gonna fit in there like that. And what's left? Just the spars. Two small spars. They're the same diameter. These probably go in the wings. Duh. I mean, between the two sections, right? What about in there? Whoa, this is a solid piece of steel. It's very heavy. Wow. So, wow, I bet this goes in fuse to the wing, main wings, and then these go between the wing tips and the center wing. Okay, that's my unboxing of the Robbe Cyclone 6.2 meter power glider. Very exciting. Good luck.